Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Mr. Larson.
Today, we are going to learn how to translate a problem into an algebraic equation and then solve that problem by solving our algebraic equation we just made. So, here's our problem. Hayden, you ready to learn this?
Yes.
Yes. Now, we're going to go to the shop.
We're going to shop.
We're going to buy ice cream.
Yeah.
Okay, so this isn't Aaron. This is Hayden. Hayden, how do I spell your name?
Hayden.
Hayden. Hayden. So Hayden you bought 4 ice creams. You don't know how much they cost. And you get $2.80 change from the $10 note you gave them.
Yeah.
But you want your friends to pay you back, so you got to know how much did each ice cream cost. Yeah. This is a pretty real life situation, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yep. So we've gone to the ice cream. You got your $2.80 change. You got to get your money back from your friends. Okay. So you got to know how much each of them have to pay for the ice cream. So how much would each ice cream cost? So class, I want you to be able to come up with any algebraic equation that will allow us to solve it. So what equation could we use to solve this problem?
720 divided by 4.
No, stop being so intelligent. That's not what I asked for. Let's get an equation first and then solve the equation, okay? That's great that you can just come up with a way to get the answer, but we're practicing learning to write an equation. Okay, so Hayden.
Yeah.
Can you think of an equation we could use to solve this?
Yes.
Yes. What equation could we use?
Well, we could have C
C
as the ice creams.
C is the ice cream
Equals
$2.80.
$2.80.
$2.80.
So $2.80.
Yep.
Equals 10.
Equals 10. Good.
Yeah.
That's not quite right though, Hayden.
No.
Because one, you're saying, the way you said the ice cream costs $2.80, which equals 10. So look at the way we've written it. Does $2.80 equal 10?
No.
No. So that's not quite the equation we want. But let's think about it this way. How many ice creams are there?
4.
There's 4 ice creams, right? And if C is the cost of one of the ice creams, wouldn't you take the cost of one ice cream and times it by 4?
Yeah.
Right. Now, you gave them $10 and you got $2.80 back, right? So wouldn't the cost of the 4 ice creams plus $2.80 equal the $10 you originally gave them?
Yeah.
So if I were to add $2.80 to that, so if I do 4 times the cost of the ice cream plus $2.80, what should that equal? 10. Good. There we go, class. That's what I wanted, an equation that we can solve in order to get the answer that we're after. Now let's go through the steps to solve it. So what's the first step in solving this equation?
Minus 2.8.
Yeah, why do I want a minus 2.8?
Because then you get how much it costs.
Well, not quite. We're on our way to getting what it costs. If I take away that 2.8 on that side, what do I have to do to do it to the other side? What do I have left on the left?
4C.
4C
Equals 10. Equals
$10 minus $2.80 would be. Stop throwing things. 7 what?
0.2.
$7.20, right? All right. So now I know that the 4 ice creams, if you were to take away that $2.80 change you got, would be $7.20. So that's what the total for all the ice cream costs. But we want to know what each ice cream costs. So what's the next step to solve this equation?
Find how many times does 4 go into 7.2.
So divide both sides by 4, right? So if I divide that by 4, I have to divide that by 4. That 4 would cancel out with that 4. So you get C equals whatever 7.2. Do you have a guess what 7.2 divided by 4 is?
No.
Would be your first guess. First guess. 7.2 divided by 4. What's your first guess?
1.3.
Oh, you're close, but no cigar. 1.8. Right, so $1.80. So each of those ice cream costs $1.80. Right, so you would collect $1.80 from each of your friends for those ice creams. So class, do we understand when I say write an equation for the problem that we're given so that we can solve for what we're being asked to solve for?
Yes, Mr. Lawson.
Yay.